Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my Valentine's card swap that I participated in. I received my Valentine from my secret partner, and so look at how cute the envelope is. I believe she made it. She added these glittered puffy hearts. And look at how cute her card is. It just says Happy Valentine's Day. She has a doily with the heart die cut. Yeah, and then she added this blingy trim. And this is from Veronica Christie. So thank you so much. Look at, she shared some stickers and some tea. Yummy raspberry hibiscus. So thank you, girl. Thank you for being my secret Valentine. And so if you did not get a chance to see the card that I sent out, I'll leave a link here so you can go check it out. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. I just want to thank Sue and Maria for hosting this swap. And until my next video, shakas.